Hi, I'm Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. Are you the designated videographer or person who shoots video in your family? Would you like to be able to get a better sense of the audio that is present at the time you're shooting the video, but what mics may be on the device really don't seem to be cutting it? Well, this is the Movo lavalier microphone, and it's great to work out of the box because of its setup. It will let you use it with a smartphone, a camcorder, because it's got an internal power supply. If the device you're using it with doesn't give power, you can put I believe it's an LR44 battery, so you'll need to keep a supply of those. And this will help you get a little bit better audio than what you might get normally. And at least it's an option. It does have a nice long cord, so if you're setting your camera up some distance away, that it will let you be a little bit further from the camera. So if you want more background in the shot, it is at least an option. And at a minimum, even if you do end up going with a different microphone, like a shotgun microphone, it's always good to have something like this available so that you have a backup method in case that other microphone decides to work. And sometimes they do that. You've at least got a way where you don't have to say, well, gee, there was some good sound there, but the mic just wasn't working. So look at getting one of these today. Even if you don't use it once in a blue moon, just make sure you leave the batteries out of it. And I think it's going to be something that will prove very useful to you when the right situation occurs.